Before we get started, I just want to say I am not a dermatologist or a medical professional. I'm simply sharing my own personal experience and what has worked for me. This video is for informational and beauty purposes only. Let's get to today's video. Now let's dive into my top 5 essential oils for glowing, healthy skin. Not carrier oils, the real star players. Listen, first up we have tea tree essential oil, your acne fighting bestie. What makes it amazing? Hey, it helps to kick acne causing bacteria to the curb. Also, it helps calm redness, swelling, and those annoying breakouts. It helps in controlling excess oil without overdrying. And also, it helps in unclogging pores like a pro. How I use it is a few different ways. I'll drop 1 to 2 drops in my moisturizer that I'm using and apply it to my face. As a spot treatment for pimples by diluting it with a carrier oil. Or I mix it into a clay mask for a mini spa detox at home. Now let's go on to number 2. These are not in any particular order, just as they came up on my radar. Listen, this one is lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is your calm, soothing skin BFF. Why I love it? It helps in calming irritation and redness. It helps in soothing eczema and stressed out skin. It helps in repairing and healing. And a bonus, it relaxes your mind because stress shows on your skin. The way I use lavender essential oil, I'll add 2 to 3 drops to a hydrating serum, or I mix it in my bath water for a full body skin chill session. And also, I sometimes blend it with aloe vera for bedtime skin magic. Oh yeah. Y'all, number 3, we're heading there right now. But before I carry on, if you're still with me, why don't you go ahead and drop a like on the video? I certainly do appreciate that. Listen, number 3, frankincense essential oil. Now, this is the anti-aging superstar. Yes. Why it's incredible? I'll give you 3 reasons. It soothes fine lines and wrinkles. It helps in tightening and toning sagging skin. And it helps boost cell regeneration for that youthful glow. Now, the way I use this, I'll put 1 drop in my night cream, or I create an anti-aging face oil, just mixing it in with my favorite carrier oil. And I have added it to my facial steamer for that spa at home radiance. Let's carry on. Oh boy, one of my tops. I love this one so much. Lang Lang Essential Oil. Made it. This is the glow getter right here. Why it rocks? It helps in balancing out oil, perfect for oily, combo, or dry skin. It helps smooth and soften your skin. And did you know it helps in minimizing pores and boosting natural radiance? And y'all, this is the reason right here. It helps in supporting skin renewal and elasticity. And I know you want to know how to use it. This is what I do. A couple of different things I use it for. I'll put 1 to 2 drops of it in my daily moisturizer that I'm applying to my face, or I mix it into a toner, and that helps to smoothen out my skin texture. And finally, I'll blend it with like rosehip oil or jojoba oil for a nighttime glow boost. Love it. And finally, geranium essential oil. If you knew about this one, go ahead and let me know in the comments, okay? Listen, this is the last one on the list, but not the least. Geranium is your brightening hero, and it's awesome for several reasons. I'll name four. It helps in balancing oil production. It helps in fading dark spots and uneven skin tone. It helps improve skin elasticity, and it leaves my skin looking bright, healthy, and fresh. And this is how I use it. I'll add it to a toner for tight, smooth pores, or I'll mix it with my vitamin C serum to boost radiance. Or finally, I also use this one in my facial steamer to refresh and brighten my complexion. Now, those are my top 5 essential oils for skincare. Remember, essential oils are powerful little drops. So always dilute properly and enjoy experimenting safely. My go-to place for most of my essential oils is Simply Earth. I am a Simply Earth affiliate. I love Simply Earth because they break it all out for you so that you can know exactly what to do, how to do, and their site is so easy to navigate. I will put my link in the description box for you, and you can go right there and check it all out for yourself. Listen, which one are you excited to try first? Please drop a comment below. I'd love to know. That's it for today, y'all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and you have a great rest of your day. And please make sure you share this with a friend. As I always used to say, please share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Yeah. Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back proud.